Hey friends, I have my iced coffee and I'm on my way to a church thrift store. Okay, that's a bad idea. I should probably not try and record this video while I'm at a stop sign. Wait till you park the car, Quenby. Anyway, I have my idea of the best day ever, which is an iced coffee and a little thrifting. I've finished seeing clients for the day. So I'm gonna take us to my favorite church thrift store. I'm not going to count this video as one of my series of Bye Goodwills because I've been to this store many times before. So it's not like I'm finding a new store that's cheaper. It's a thrift store that I love that's big and cheap. Now, cheap for me here in Northern California is $4 for tops at this store, $5.25 for a dress, and $3.75 for pants. For me, that is way lower than my Goodwill prices and my Salvation Army prices, and those stores don't really have like 50% off or anything. So I'll take us in. I'm interested in buying some hard goods and some clothing to resell on eBay and Poshmark. So the parking lot is packed. It looks very busy. So I don't know if this store is just going to get totally discovered because they still have somewhat lower prices than most other stores. I'm wearing this Johnny Was top. You know I love that brand. We all love that Bolo brand. And I got it here. I got this heavily embroidered Johnny Was top here for $4. They did not have a little tag on it, marking it up. This was like a year ago. Since then, this store's totally changed. They are following the trend and marking a lot of things up, but I can still search and find things. So I'll do as much recording in the store as I can. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, the store is totally packed. I'm going through dresses. See these little blue tags? These are showing up more and more. This is a Talbot's cute dress, but they've got it marked at 25. I guess it's a newer tag, but I've done well with the dresses here, but it's really busy. I wanted to hit the hard goods first, but there's like 2 or 3 people down every aisle, so let's see. Maxid Cleo, never heard of it. They play great religious music here. It's all like inspiring music, so Torrid size 20, that would be $5. Just a red. I'll put that in my cart and we can check it out. I don't have a cart. I have a basket, which I cannot stand. I hate not having a cart because I get a lot of things and it's heavy. Ooh, that's beautiful. What's that? Wow. $13. I don't know what that is. I don't really mess with a lot of formal wear. Do you guys? Yeah, it's really busy. My Michelle, nothing. Calvin Klein, I don't really pick up. It would have to be an exceptional piece. This is that dress by Ulla Popkin that I accidentally thought was Ulla Johnson last week, and I was wrong. Ooh, Rebecca Taylor. It's a really nice brand. Size 6. I bet you that's silk, you guys. That's gorgeous. Look at that print. $5. Oh, $5.25 now for dresses. Okay, I got a cart. It's a little embarrassing because I literally actually ran. Like I saw it and I ran over. Oh, this is so nice. $7.99. Oh, oopsie, I love that so much. Look at the handle on it.
I guess it's as good as yours? Alright.
I love it. But I don't want to spend $7.99 if I'm honest. I love this place. So that's plastic. We'll look through the hard goods a little more later. I think I'll hit the clothes and then we'll look more later through the hard goods. Oh my god, you guys, should I get this? Look at this. Cabin Creek size 20, so plus size. It's all embroidered, a denim shirt all embroidered with dragonflies. I don't know. I know it's not like a good brand or anything, but that's amazing. Okay, so they have this marked up to $8. It's an Athleta medium tall, but pink is 50% off. So this is the only time I benefit from them marking things up. That's what I saw first, that logo there. So for $4, absolutely. Okay, no idea what this is. Look at this skirt. It's made of like jersey sweat material, and it looks like it's all painted. And then it has this interesting tag, which I'm trying to show you. Play Allegra, San Diego, California. I'm gonna put that in the cart, and when we do our haul, we'll look it up. Okay, the music is super loud. I literally had to wait for a commercial, but I picked this up because it's J.Jill Pure Jill, and it's pink tag, so it's half off. I think it would be like $2. It's a blue 100% cotton cardigan. I try and stay away from this brand in small sizes, but that one's got a few different things going for it because it's pure gel, and it's a nice style, and it's half price. But often I just don't even bother with size small. That's my best-selling brand, that and Free People. Kind of want to get out of this section though, because I'm not having a lot of luck. Sometimes you just gotta like change the scenery, right? What do you guys think of thrift stores that hang their pants in this orientation with the tags up like this? Let me know in the comments. Do you prefer this, or do you prefer them hanging straight up? I'm taking a quick run down the pants aisle and looking at things that have the pink tag. They're only $3.75 for pants, so they're already cheap. But if they are half off, that means they'll be really cheap. I just got like overwhelmed in the tops. You know how you're looking through something forever and not really finding anything? You're just like, get me out of here. That's what happened to me. Okay, these are so amazing. The Essentials collection by Anthropologie, US size 12. They have that retro fit through the hips, and they're gray velvet, kind of a straight leg, high-rise gray velvet. But they have them marked up to $15. If that was half off, I would get those, but I'm not gonna spend $15. But oh, is that painful? I love those. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is driving me crazy at the thrift stores. $20 little price tag for Lewin Gray size XL. Lewin Gray is an Ann Taylor. It's like their casual line, and it's good, but really, these thrift stores with the prices are just driving me insane. I did find this top, and it's Madewell. I've been saying I'm not picking up a lot of Madewell unless it's a really special kind of piece. What do you guys think of this one? It's a medium. It's this pretty coral color, and it's sort of all lace and embroidery. I'll see what short sleeve tops cost. I think $4. I do need stuff to list, but this could have been a good find. These are like trousers from the brand MM Lafleur, black in a size 6. They're kind of a designer brand. They make a lot of career wear. Black trousers, but look, always check the hems, you guys. Somebody hemmed them up. So even for $3.75, sometimes you can like take the hem out, but it's just extra work for me, which I'm not interested in at this time. So those are staying goodbye. Those are staying behind. This is a little overwhelming. All these tags. American Eagle Outfitter jeans. I used to get like 25 for them. Now I feel like I get 18, so kind of passing on them most of the time. What about you guys? I am going to take these. I don't know what you guys would do, but they're Talbots. They're size 18W, like an olive green pull-on pants, but they are new with tags, originally $99, and they're half off. What's half off of $3.75? I don't know. $1.50 something? So because they're plus size and they're new with tag, I'm going to take those. I don't pick up a lot of Talbots, but I'll make exceptions. Let's take a look at what I have in the cart so far. I've been kind of all over the place today in all different sections. So these are always a big yes for me. J.Jill in a size large, and these are like linen pants. $4. Like a green straight leg pants. J.Jill has been selling like nuts for me. The Pure Jill size small sweater that's half off. I think for $2 I'll grab that. This I need to look up. I'm going to show you the tag. INIZIO. This is a linen dress. So it has a linen skirt and like a slub mixed media, midi length. It would be $5.25, and it seems amazing. I might get that just on style and put like Lag&Look boho in my title. This is that skirt I think I showed you with this very interesting tag. Allegra. This might be too specific. It's a midi skirt that looks like it's hand painted, so I'll put this and this in my pile of stuff to look at. Athleta dress, half off, so it'll be $4. Let me make sure there's nothing wrong with it, because if it's still here, probably no one wanted to pay $8 for a pre-owned size medium tall Athleta dress. So absolutely gorgeous Rebecca Taylor dress. Look at the print on this. It's a silk dress. $5.25, yes. And this is that Torrid dress, size 20, so that will be $5.25, and it's like fit and flare, red stretchy plus size. So that seems great, not bad so far. I'm not doing it where I'm like in the aisle looking at everything, through every little thing. I just don't feel like that's my kind of day. Sort of popping all around, looking at all different stuff. So let's go look at the hard goods and some other clothes on the way over. Okay, I think it's finally our turn in the hard goods section. $1.99. It's not quite as busy. Maybe I got here at like the lunch rush or something. Frames. Happiness is homemade. What's with these bathtubs? I really like bathtubs. $4.99. Because there's these decorative cloth tubs, and then I just saw another bathtub thing over here. Look. Is this like somebody's motif? Bathrooms. Pictures of bathtubs in the bathrooms. I love the art section. Let's see what we can find, friends. Ooh, look at this mirror. $25. Oh, hi. Hi, friends. What is this? It's heavy like cement. All right. Here we go. This is still here. $34.99. This is Vintage Fiesta. It's a different print, and I did look it up one of the times I was here, but I couldn't find very many sold comps. And it's been here for weeks, so let me know what you see. This is like dish sets, so I don't need anything in here. I like this little piece. It's almost like a little crock or something. It's $2. And I can't quite read the bottom, but it does say 1981 with some letters there. That's pretty cute. I also saw some fish plates over here. And if you've watched my videos before, you know I love a good fish plate. Oh, these are so nice. Look at that. $2. Are they $2 each? Oh. Oh. These might be artisan made. $3.26. Does that say 57? I might grab a few of these. Yeah, these do say Angie 1957. So I'm gonna grab maybe 4 of those for resale. Then I'd have $8 in it. I'm totally obsessed with this platter. To me, it looks hand painted by Maria B. Looks like they have $6.99 on it, but look, it's got a repair, a rather big repair. So I'm gonna have to put that one back. Well, trying to really get down here, down low. Ooh, that's nice. $3.99. I like the shape on it. It's black, but I don't see any signature or stamp, so it would be a little bit challenging to sell that. Okay. Okay. I wanted to show you guys this, which I'm kind of obsessed with. It's very heavy though. $4.99. This is metal. I think the shelf might be wood. I don't know. I'm gonna put that in there and think about it. I don't really have anywhere good to put it. Put it there for now. If Peter was here, he would tell me if you could easily hang it or not, because he thinks of all those very practical things. I am looking for napkin rings. Are these my napkin rings? I don't know. This is nice. Ooh. Oh, it's Ross. Handcrafted in the Philippines. That would be a nice little tidbit nuts kind of platter. What are these ones? I don't know what that is. Let me look into it. Okay, I'm gonna buy this glass paperweight for $5. Simply because all I do is watch videos of other people thrifting and picking up heavy glass paperweights like this. And I'm always like, where are they finding all these paperweights? I don't usually find them. I don't know what it is about these glass paperweights, but they seem quite popular. So, pick those up. Okay, my beautiful friends, I think that was a successful shopping trip. My total here on my receipt is $49. It was $38, and then I rounded up because that goes to support people in recovery. So I love seeing a receipt that looks like this. I mean, the most expensive thing I got today was $8 for those 1957 fish plates, but I love looking at my receipt and seeing I got some pants that were half off, so they were $1.87. That sweater, the J. Jill sweater, was $2.49 because it was half off. I mean, that is just so amazingly good for me. Dresses were $5.25, pants full price were $3.75. Just amazing. So I think we did pretty good. I appreciate you coming along with me. Please let me know if you've found any new thrift stores that are less expensive, if you've got any items that you're excited about finding in 2023. Have you found anything great lately? I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye, friends.